I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Trend Micro. And why I am having this? Because I want to share about Decode 2020. Elevate, transform rapidly, seamlessly, and securely. So, what is Decode 2020 and why I'm complaining about it? Well, Decode is an annual conference organized by Trend Micro, which is the global leader in cybersecurity. And this annual conference is attended by professionals in the information technology, both locally and internationally. And this time, we're doing it virtually. So in other words, participants from Visayas and Mindanao can easily access and attend to it without traveling. And this will be happening on November 10 to 12. One thing more, it is for free. Decode will be having more than 40 breakout sessions with panels that are experts in cyber threats. And let me just run through what are the topics to be discussed. Let me get my list because I am not really that familiar. They will be discussing about artificial intelligence, machine learning, data protection and privacy, cybercrime and incidence response, among others. So it's really important and it is so timely right now. I'm really encouraging more IT professionals to join this one. Me personally, I have experienced that my account has been hacked recently because I have been more active and my accounts like both in bank and in social media has been like intertwined right now because everything we are doing is online as of the moment. So my cell phone, all the passwords are being saved already, and I had the experience that I cannot log in into one of my accounts because they have noticed already an illegal activity, and we found out that my account has been opened somewhere in Bacolod. So even though I am in Cebu, it is open in Bacolod. Good thing I have friends in the information technology. They help me out how to stop it or how to block it and everything, and how to trace and open my account back again. So that is why I'm encouraging professionals in the information technology to please continue learning and advance yourself to help us later on when we need your help also. So then again, Decode 2020 is for free. Just register in www.decodeph2020.com and it will be happening in November 10 to 12. So hope you'll enjoy and please share learnings. And then again, me being a dentist, I would like to remind you to please don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye.